Look at all these feathers. Something's eating everything.
But yeah, I'm like my brother, this, I don't know.
Fishing at Oxford Lake, but something's not right flushed.
Ain't no way. Now I'm saying, then the water's so clear, you can, like you said, you see straight through.
That's why I say I don't see not one lick of a fish swimming over.
Not even no bait fish.
Ever fish a lake that feels dead? Comment below. Down finger.
Then definitely see straight to the bottom.
Next stop, the dam. Let's see if it's any better fishing.